Okay, good morning to all. Today I discuss about your lab experiment, that is the Maxima and Psi. Okay, Maxima and Psi is some software. Okay, then Maxima, that is the WX Maxima, that is the software that can use to operating the arithmetic operations and some differentiation and integration also problem also solving. Okay, first okay, see here, this is the windows of your Maxima. Okay, first I discuss about some icon, that is this is the new file, first one, then this is the edit, okay, that is the file, okay, new, open, okay, save and save as. You use save and save as. Okay, when you executing the program, you save that one. Okay, some here Greek letters is there, that is alpha, beta, gamma, delta, sigma, psi, is the theta, okay, and you want this file, okay, then phi, that is the psi, that is the ohm, okay, omega, that is the ohm, okay. Some here some symbols is there, that is 1 by 2, 2 that means x square means that is the, this is the x cap up to, that is the x square, x cube, root, okay. Some other symbols is here, okay. Next come to here, that is the maxima, some equations is there, means equation means the solving the polynomial, then linear solutions, then roots of polynomial, then linear systems, okay. In your higher education, you use this one, okay. Then solve ODE, ordinary differential equations, then initial value problem, then boundary value problem, solve ordinary differential equation with Laplace, okay. Then, okay, next come to here, that is the next option, that is algebra. Algebra, see here, here some matrices there. This is the your first semester syllabus. See here, enter a matrices, then invert, then characteristic polynomial, determinant, then eigenvalue and eigenvector. Mean that is a minus lambda of I. Okay, that is the eigenvalue. Okay, then adjacent matrix, then transpose of matrix. You already studied this one. This is the transpose of matrix. Okay, then it's not used here this much. Only remember this one, that is the enter a matrix, okay. Then calculus, that is the differentiation, okay. Integration is the integrate is there, then differentiation is there, find the limit and find the minimum, okay. This is Laplace transformation, this is the final year, this is if some student have studied here. Then, okay, here plot, that is the 2D and 3D graph is there. A plot means that is the 2-dimensional graph and 3-dimensional graph. Then, okay, next one, that is the numeric. Numeric means he see here, that is the two plot, okay. Then numeric, then okay, it's not used to you, okay. Then helpline is there. Helpline means that is the WX maxima help, that is the you press F1 means that is the help, okay. Helpline is there, okay. Now, come to here, we want that is matrices, okay. See here, algebra. Algebra means we are taking the matrices means, see here, this is a matrices. Suppose we take 2 row and 2 column, otherwise 3 row and 3 columns means, suppose we take 2 row, 2 column. That is a simple one general example. The row is 2 and column is 2. Then this is the type means that is general, okay. Then matrix we is saying that is the A is the matrix that contain 2 row and 2 column. Then you press OK. Then come here, that element. The rows element means that is, I generally tell you, that is the 4, then 5, 5, next that is the 6, then that is the 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 3. This is the one matrix. Then OK. Okay, come here. See here, this is the percentage of I1 means that is the first line, that is the A is the one matrix, okay. Then A colon of matrix of this is bracket open bracket, then square bracket of 4 comma 5 and square bracket of 6 comma 3, then close bracket, then semicolon, Okay, this is matrix. Same as go to another B example, that is the B matrices. Once again go to a algebra, then enter a matrix. Okay, this is also a 2 row and 2 column. 2 row, then you press tab button, then come to a column. That is 2 column. This is also general. Okay, that is the naming. That is you are giving. That is the capital. That is B. Okay, already take A. This is the B. Then here I give, that is the 4, then tab, that is the 2, tab 1, tab, then that is the 9. Okay, 4 2 1 9. Okay, then you press the OK. Then here this is the B. That is the B matrix, mean that is 4 2 1 9. This is the matrix. Okay, we simply calculating addition of the A plus B, means you type that is A, then plus of B, then semicolon, then you press only shift and enter. Okay, shift enter means, see here A means that is 4 first row. A matrix first row is 4 and 5. Okay, B matrix first row and 4 and 2. Okay, then 4 plus 4 is 8, then 5 plus 2 is 7, then 6 plus 1 is 7, then 3 plus 9 is 12. That is A plus B. Okay, the addition, simplification addition, A and B. Okay, same as that is A minus B. Okay, you type that is A, then minus of B, then semicolon, then shift enter. You press shift enter. See here, that is 4 minus 4. A matrix is 4. B matrix first element is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, then 6. That is the first matrix is first element is 6 minus, that is the 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Then 3 minus 9, that is the minus 6. Okay, biggest number is, that is the minus, that is the minus 6. Okay, that is addition is over, then subtraction is over. Let's come to a multiplication, that is A star. Multiplication means using star. A star B, that is semicolon, then you press shift enter, then 4 into 4, that is the 4 for the 16. See here, 4 matrix, that is A matrix is, that is the 4 5 6 3. Then B matrix is 4 2 1 9. Okay, 4 for the 16. Then 4 to the 10. See here, 10. Then 6 and 27. That is A into B. Okay, that is matrix addition, matrix subtraction, and matrix multiplication. Okay, same general has, you take, suppose you saving this one, means you go to here, that is the file. Okay, then go to a save as, otherwise save. Suppose you save. Okay, you give any one number. Okay, that is lab 1. That is the lab of lab 1. Okay, that is math lab 1, otherwise lab 1. Okay, anyone you want to save. Okay, this is the lab 1, that is the save. Okay, next go to here, that is we take 2 row and you go to here, that is the new, means new pages, you take new page. After that you go to a equation, that is the algebra. Okay, enter a matrix. Okay, you take 3 row and already 3 row is there, 3 column is there. Okay, then I give P. That is the P is the one matrix that contain 3 row and 3 column. Okay, okay, 3 row means we give general, that is 3, then tab 5, tab 1, tab 9, then 4, then 7, then 2, 6, that is 8. Okay, this is one matrix, P is one matrix that contains, that is 3 5 1 9 4 7 2 6 8. This is the P is one matrix. Okay, next go to algebra. Okay, next enter a matrix. Okay, then next one Q. That is 3 row 3 column. Then this is the Q matrices. Okay, This is also a, I will give general. Okay, 3, 5, 2, 7, 4. That is the 3, 6, 8, 2. Okay. Next go to OK button. You press OK button. Then that is the Q matrix. P is there. Then Q is there. That is 3 row and 3 column. Okay. Next go to a addition of 2 matrices. That is P plus Q. That is P plus Q. That is semicolon. Then shift enter. Y means here some mistake. See here mistake. Where is mistake? Okay. See here, this is the capital P is the matrices. Okay, you give here small p. Okay, that is mistake is there. That's why that is capital P. And then see here. This is the wrong. Okay, first P matrix we take. P matrix is capital and Q matrix is here. Observe here that P is the capital P is equal to this matrix and small q equal to this matrix. Then you type here capital P plus small q. Then semicolon. Suppose you take both capital or both small. Okay. Then see here that is the 3 first element, that is the P matrix first element is 3 and Q matrix first element is 3. 3 plus 3 that is 6. Then 5 plus 5 that is the 10. Then 1 plus 2 that is the 3. Then 9 plus 7 that is the 16. Next 4 plus 4 that is the 8. Then 7 plus 3 that is the 10. Here P. Okay. Same as that is the last row, that is 2 plus 6 that is the 8 and 6 plus 8 that is the 14. Okay. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay. This is P plus Q. Okay. Next go to P minus Q. That is capital P P minus Q. That is small q. Okay. Then semicolon. That is you press shift enter, then go to here. That is see here P minus Q means that is P, that is 3. First element is 3. Okay, see here 3 minus 3 is 0. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. Same as okay. 0, 0, then minus 1, then 2, 0, 4, minus 4, minus 2, 6. Okay, this is P minus Q. Okay, this is next go to that multiplication, that is P, then star. Multiplication means we using star operation, that is star, then Q. P minus P star Q, then semicolon, you press shift enter. Okay, that is 3 into 3. First element is first matrix, P matrix, first element is 3. And Q matrix, first element is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, then second matrix, that is 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. Okay, then third element you see here, P matrix third element is that is 1. Okay, then 1 into 2 is 2. That is P star Q. Okay. Suppose divide means you take that is P divide, then Q, that is semicolon, then shift enter. Okay, this one means 3 by 3 means that is the 1. Okay, 5 by 5 means that is the 1. Okay, that is divide and means we are matrix addition and matrix subtraction and matrix multiplication and matrix division. Okay, same example. Okay, you take any others one example, general example, go to algebra, next enter a matrix. Okay, you take any 2 row or 3 row. Okay, this is 3 row 3 column means you go to a OK button, then go to here, that is 1 2 3, 1 tab 2 tab 3. Okay, next tab, that is 4 5, then 6. Okay, then tab, then 7, then 8, then 9. Okay, you press next OK button. Okay, this is the one matrix. See here, that is the one matrix that contain 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are not assigning here anyone P, Q, A, B, C, anyone matrices. Okay, only you type only a matrix and you assign the values. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is the one matrix. Okay, same as you take another one matrices, that is go to equation, that maxima, here algebra, enter a matrix, then 3 rows 3 column. Okay, then okay, you do any other random. 3 tab 4 tab 6, that is 2, 8, then 9, then 2 is the 1, then 6. Okay, okay, this is the one matrices. First matrix is 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is one matrix. Then another matrix is 3, 4, 6, 2, 8, 9, 2, 1, 6. Okay, this is another matrix. Okay, you do here, that is 2, only you multiply 2 to a first matrix. That is we are not assigning here matrix A and matrix B. That's why you assign here. Once again, go to here. That is a new page. Not forget that one. Okay. Then go to new page. It is the new windows. Okay. Then go to here. Algebra. Enter the matrix. Okay. Then here 2 row and 2 column. We take 2 row and 2 column. 2 row and 2 columns. The matrix name is A. That is the capital A. Okay. Then okay. Assigning the value 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Then okay. A is the one matrix. Okay. Next B is next matrix. Go to next algebra. Then enter the matrix. Here taking 2 row. Then 2 column. Okay. This name is that is the B. Okay. Give 3, 9, 4, 5. 3, 9, 4, 5. Then okay. This is the B matrix, that is 3, 9, 4, 5. Okay. Next go to another one matrix, that is the C matrix. Okay. Enter the matrices. Okay. Then 2 rows and 2 columns. That matrix name is that is the C. Okay. Then okay. C matrix is 7, 9, 2, 1. 7, 9, 2, 1. Okay. That is the okay. That is the C matrix 7, 9, 2, 1. Okay. A matrix is there. B matrix is there. And C matrix is there. First, you are operating A plus B. That is A, then plus B, then semicolon, then shift enter. Okay, A plus B means, see here, A matrix means that is 2, 1, 3, 5. B is, see here, 3, 9, 4, 5. 2 plus 3, that is, A means 1, 2, 3, 5. B means 3, 9, 4, 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. 9 plus 2 is 11. Next, 3 plus 4 is 7. Then 5 plus 5 is 10. 4, 11, 7, 10. That is A plus B. Okay, next go to A minus B. That is A, then minus, that is B, then semicolon. Don't forget semicolon. Okay, this is A minus B and B minus C, B minus of C, semicolon, then shift enter. Okay, CL, B minus C. Next go to B minus C, that is A square. Okay, you see here A square, that is A cap of 2. We are writing square means A cap of 2 means that is the A square. What is A square value mean? That is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, then 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. That is A square. A means that is 1, 2, 3, 5, A. Then A square means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, then 3 square is 9, and 5 square is 25. That is A square. Suppose you write A cube means that is A cap of 3. Then semicolon, that is shift enter here. That is 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1, then 2 cube is 3, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Okay, then 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Okay, next 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. That is the A cube. Okay, A square or then A cube or okay. Next, that is 5C A into B. That is A into means that is star A star B. 1 minute. That is shift enter. Okay, A star B. Then semicolon. Then shift enter. Okay. After that, go to here. That is B into C. That is B star C. It is BC. Okay. Then another one is last one. That is the 5C plus AC. 5C. First you go to 5. That is 5 star C. Okay, semicolon, then shift enter. That is the 5C only. Means 5 is multiplied to C. Means C means, what is the C matrix? C matrix means 7, 7, 9, 2, 1 C. Okay, then multiply to 5 to that C matrix. Okay, 5, 9, 7, 9, 2, 1. Okay, 7, 5 is 35. Next, that is 5C plus AC. Last one, that is 5C, 5 star of C, 5C plus that is AC. AC means A star of C. That is semicolon, then shift enter. That is 5C plus AC. Okay. See here. Once again, I explain this one. First, we type the matrix. We go to algebra. After that, take a matrix A. Okay, then 2 row and 2 column. Okay, that is 1 A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, then B equal to a matrix that contain that is 3, 9, 4, 5. Okay, then C is the another matrix. Okay, this is third matrix that is 7, 9, 2, 1. Next, go to operation that is addition. That is A plus B. Okay, then A minus B, then B minus C, then 5 into C, then finally 5C plus 5C plus A into C. That is AC. Okay. You take any another one generally. That is 2A plus 3B. 2 star of A, 2 star of A, 2 star of A, 2A plus that is 3B. 3 star of B. Then semicolon, then shift enter. This is 2A plus 3B. You verify this one. This is 2A plus 3B. Okay, first you multiply 2 to A matrix. Then after that 3 into A. Theoretically, you write this one. This will multiply 3 to A B matrix. After that 2A plus 3B. The final answer is that is 11, 31, 18, 25. Okay, next go to next one. Suppose we take that is division, that is A divide B. A divide B, then semicolon. The semicolon is important. Okay, that is A divide B, this one. Verify this one. That is A matrix divide B. B matrix means that is 1 by 3, 2 by 9, 3 by 4, and 1. This is okay. Next, your first practical is computation of some difference and product of a matrix is there. That is addition, subtraction, and that is multiplication of matrix is there. Okay, first you discuss about the algebra, means algorithm is there. Algorithm means how to writing the step by step executing the program. Okay. This is WX Maxima. This is the one software. Remember this one. This is the free course. That is open access is there. Okay. Thank you for all. Okay. Once again, you observe all of these matrices and you theoretically you prove this one. Sir, ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Stop here.